Yo, what's going on, guys? So tonight we're gonna head over to the Origins celebration of life meet for Snow 50 and Be This. Rest in peace, guys. So we'll see you guys up looking hella dirty. It's all good. Hop in the spaceship. Fresh kicks. Let's go. Just pulled up. My brother Sam. Sell it. Sick as food. I mean, that's cool, I guess. Oh, shit. Hella fast. Look at that food. Don't fuck with that guy. You hiring? No quema, kid. No quema. Lights on the whip. Look, looks like it's shooting fire. Pretty clean. Ain't that, is that a Shelby? Damn. That shit's hard. Sick ass food. Funny Nick. Ooh, what is that? A little 6'3". Candace food right here. Dream car right there. If I could see out of it. VIP parking right there. Man, bro, better be fast. Oh, Mr. Ryan. That's clean, bro. I like it. Ooh, that's clean, bro. I like it. Boy, what is that? Snack. Definitely a snack. Clean. I get it, bro. You're on air. We get it. That shit hard. Hard. Ooh, okay. That shit's clean. Bless you. Sounds good though, bro. Not gonna lie, I'm seeing this rap everywhere. That shit's hard. Hey, watch out, don't hit him. Nah, I'm just kidding. Is that a GTR? Oh, forget the GTR. Damn, that shit's beautiful. Back to the GTR. Ooh. Okay, back to the GTR. Boy got all his Christmas lights. My boy is like 5th time coming in, but still looks good. Still looks good. Not a 86 BRZ FRS, whatever you want to call it, guy, but that shit is hard. Ooh. And that boy got fat pockets right there. The GT 500. The color. Perfecto. The wide hips. And my boy's back for the 6th time. It's sick, bro. We get it. It's sick. Mustang boys. That color's hard. Dang. That shit hard. Ooh. Okay. Snack, but I mean, looks good though. LZ01. That already. Is that a Yeti 350? Look at that color. Please. When I said everyone has that color, but it looks good. Clean. Underrated cars for sure. I want it. I want it. Move. So clean. I would love to do a photo shoot with that one. My boy. Hella clean food. And for the 7th time. Still looks clean though, bro. Orange looks good. That color is hard. Should I wrap the Mustang that color? Hard. Purple, hard. The blue, hard. Out the way for the kitty cat. Oh man, it looks like my old one. And shut up, stupid. Look at all this. Brings back hella memories. If you don't know, I had a supercharged white Mustang 10-speed, just like that one. You got hella foos, hella cats, hella Z01s, hella CTSVs. Oh, I spy another ET 500. 63. Oh yeah, Z01. So he pulled up. It's just hard. Look at his front end is so beefy. Carbon. This shit must weigh nothing. Look at the boy's hood. I've never seen a hood like this. Just clean. And his color is clean. That shit hard. Hella squeaky though. Sick ass food. That shit's hard. Man, it's a clean ass spec. Sammy pulled up. Hella clean. Sir, there's a cop right there. Oh, shit clear.
Why the car community was so important to the boys. And
Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna conclude the video. Rest in peace to my boy Snow 50 and beat this. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe guys. And I came to put gas and look at this beauty. That is color. You got a little meow meow. My boy Daniel. Alright, so we out. Too many cops. I'll see you guys on the next one now.